What up? What up, guys? What up? Let me got some music here for you guys. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So let me double check the audio. Hope you guys can hear me. Kaya, what's up? What's up? What's going on, man? Hope you guys can hear me though. Let me double check. Hope you guys can hear me. Kaya, what's up? What's up? What's going on, man? Hope you guys can hear me though. Awesome, 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 awesome. GM, how you guys doing, man? Uh I don't feel too great today. I went to a dentist today, man. So they numb my whole jaw. I'm like numb right now, man. So we can hear. Nice, nice, nice. Hope you guys doing all right, man. All right. Hey, let's go. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. 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 Oh, what's up, man? How you guys doing, man? How you guys doing, man? What's going on, man? I hope you guys doing okay. I see Kayo in the house. Crucifixion. What's up? What's up? Hope you guys doing right, man. Like I said, hope you guys doing okay, man. I'm shaking up the shows, guys. I'm shaking up the show like we used to do. I'm not doing the same thing that I used to do, but I'm trying to do something different, right? So I started live trading, man, just practicing. Oh no, I'm fine, fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine. I just can't talk too I can't talk too fast or too slow or whatever. I have to talk kind of steady. So they just no, nothing bad, nothing bad. No, no. I just went for some feelings, man. So, yeah, man, but nothing crazy, guys. I'm chilling, man. I'm chilling. It's Friday. Hope you guys are doing okay, man. Yeah, thanks for being here as usual. Yeah, man. Like I said, let me we just like I said, trading shows. We're just gonna be trading. I'm just gonna take some trades off and on and on and on and on and on and on every day. So let me open up my Infinix. I don't have. Let me see. Share screen. I share my screen. Okay, I got you. I got you. One second, guys. I'm trying to open up the pages here, man, so I can see what's going on. All right, let me open up page real quick, man. We'll take some trades, kind of. Let me add some more. Let me add some more funds here, man. Add some more liquidity. One sec. Unlock's done. Let me add. I'm gonna add some more liquidity so I can take some more. Here's USDC. Cool. All right. Add. So I'm adding liquidity to what's my phone? I'm adding liquidity. Oof. Turn on Bluetooth. I'm adding liquidity to Infinix, man. So, like I said, you guys could trade on any platform. I'm just gonna go through some trades here, man. And that's about it, man. And we're just chilling, all right? We're just chilling. Let me Hey, all right. Trying to log in there. Use key. There you go. We're in. All right, guys. Hope you guys doing okay, man. It's been a good day. Can't complain. I guess I've been the dentist, right? I haven't really had shit popping off on my side over here. So we're gonna take some trades. I'm trying something a little bit different today, man. So I got some new indicators that I'm using, and I wanna try that and see what it's like. So we'll try that today. So we'll try that today. Oh, 1 second. Let me share my screen. Share screen. I think we should probably this one, right? There we go. Okay. All right. All right. So I'm trying some a little bit different today. So let me give you the indicators I'm using. So I'm using some EMAs, but not that many this time. I just want to try some different. So let me show you guys real quick. Can I zoom in? 1 second. It makes you guys to see me, man. Okay, cool. Okay, all right, cool. All right, so I'm using different indicators today, right? And let me see. I wanted to show you guys real quick. So I'm trading Bitcoin, by the way. That's all I'm doing, and I'm trying to be different indicators today. I've been using the EMAs, right? The EMA 921. But I want to try something different today, man, right? I want to try different EMA settings. So I'm using so it's very simple. Any chart works for this. Just go to your trading charts and click on indicators and click on EMA cross. EMA cross. Okay. Once you type in EMA cross, this is what you see right here. So I'm using shorts EMA 5, long EMA 8. Okay. Then after I finish that, I'm using my other EMA. 1 second, guys. Yeah, I gotta zoom out. All right. So my other EMA I'm using here is just the EMA 13. Okay, so we're using 3 indicators, man, and of course the MACD and RSI is still the same. So let's see if I could if we could get some entries here, man. Let's take a look. Because when I look into any trade setup, I normally like to look at what's going on in the market. So, and I'm trading a 1 minute chart, by the way. 1 minute. I'm trading 1 minute charts. Okay. So I'm looking for entries right now. So because I'm using the EM. Oh, we got a cross. So if you guys because I'm using the EMA crosses, I get a cross when it's time for me to get an entry, right? But normally I want to wait, right? I mean, you could go because it's saying I should short the markets right now. That's what he's saying. According to this cross. So you know what? Let's just do it. I'm not because normally I like to wait. It's smart to wait to see what 1 or 2 candles come out after the cross happens. But see, if I shorted, I would have made profit right now, right? But this is just the first candle, which is negative. The first candle we see right here is negative. So I haven't taken my short yet. Look at that. I would have made money already. So this crosses do work. Like I said, I'm using a different indicator today. Let's check it out. Let me see what happens with this. So he says I should short right now. So I'm trying to let me zoom in some more. Perfect. So let's take a short. He says take a short. Let's take a short. So let me do I'm using 33% of the portfolio. And we're trading about like $40. Let me do it 40 straight up. So $40 short leverage. Let's do 20x leverage. 20x leverage right now on this trade. All right. So that place my trade already. Like I said, you always want to do a stop loss and all that. So let me you know what? Let me do that. Let's do stop loss of like where is it? Take profits of let's say 10%. Let's do stop loss of 5%. right? We just testing stuff out, right? So I'm gonna place my trade now. Oh wait. Oh no. Ah shit. I used more than I was supposed to. I used more than I was supposed to. It's okay. So I'm in a short trade right now, and my let me see. Let me see. I did my stop loss. Okay, that's it. So my take profit is at 89,795. My stop loss is at 90,421. But my idea, like I said, right? I want to just get 1 or 2%. That's all I want, because eventually I'm gonna be using a lot more money, right? Eventually. So all I want is just 1 to 2% gain. That's it. Short trade in and out, in and out. I'm not here to hold trades. Yesterday, I made a mistake yesterday. One of my worst days trading happened yesterday because I wasn't patient enough, and I wasn't, and that's another reason why I wanted to try a new indicator. Look at that. So I'm in profit right now. Look at that nice long shorts. So I'm winning right now. We're up about 0.7%, right? So like I said, my goal is 1%, 1, 2, 3% gain. And my stop loss is set to my stop loss stands like 5% loss, so very, very small. But I'm not trying to stay in these trades long. Once I see I'm in profits and I like it, I close it. So right now, about 0.7% gain right now. That's what we're winning on, so that's pretty cool. 0.6%. But I probably would have even won more if I gone in earlier, sooner. Nice. Yeah, we're 0.9% right now, but I hit probably 1% soon. Got like loose volume spike. So we're still in green right now. Trade is up about 0.8%. My idea is I want to be able to use a very, very high dollar value, but low leverage. So I could close my trades quick and make money quick. Or use small amount of money, high leverage, close quick. So we're still up about 0.81% right now. The idea is 1, 2% win. That's all I'm looking for. I'm not looking for nothing big, man. All right. So right now, we still got strong candles right now, man. We got two massive bars there, negative bars, indicating a very strong downtrend right now. And this is very short term. Okay, uptrend back up again. These things can change on you very quickly, right? And that's the reason why my stop loss is set right up there. So to protect, I think I'm protecting like 10%. I think 10% stop loss is what I'm willing to lose if the trade does go the wrong way. So right now I'm still up a little bit. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. So like I said, these trades are very, very quick. I'm trying to go in and out. But as of right now, we're still in the green. We're about to go red. About to. Very, very short. Very, very short. Very, very short. But like I said, man, I'm not trying to be in these trades long, man. That's one mistake I made yesterday, which was I wasn't patient enough, and I took the trades to I held on to trades for too long. That was a mistake. And I think if you get we got Silence in the house. What's up, Silence? What's up? What's going on, man? How you doing? So we're trying to train back up again, man. That's what it looks like. Let's see how it plays out. But I think as long as you have a stop loss, you're fine, right? Because you're risking a small amount of capital, right, to win a little bit. That's what you kind of do. For example, now if you're trading with $1,000, you're risking $100. So you set your stop loss to your risk. That's all you're willing to lose. That's it. Because you don't want to be risking 50% of your money, right? So you want to risk small amount of money to keep you in the game still. The idea is to stack up all your money, not reduce them. That's the idea. So we'll see what happens here, man. Yeah. So whenever we get those crosses, man, when we get those crosses, right? When I get my crosses, I normally get like let me zoom in. Let me see if you guys can see this. So I'm using whenever I set my charts to whenever I get cross, you see the crosshair, right? This is a cross. This is blue crosshair. This is where you're supposed to go short or long. Whenever remember, I'm trading with the trend. Trading with the trend right now. That's all I'm doing. Okay, I'm not guessing. I'm trading with the trend, guys. Okay. All right, so the moments I get another maybe 0.9%, I'm gonna close this trade. I'm not trying to be here long. Like I said, eventually I'm gonna be trading a lot more money. So the moment I see 1, 2, 3%, close that trade, man. Close it. I'm not trying to stay here long. I'm up 1.05% right now, so I might just close it here. Remember, well, I'm not trying to hold this thing for a long time. I do not want to stay here for long. I want to just go in and out, in and out, in and out. So let me do this. We're up 0.8%. So let me close this trade right here. Close this trade. Close this trade. So we a little, like I said, very, very small win. But when I start using big money, things were interesting. But like I said, it can always come down or go higher. Who the hell knows, right? But at least I'll say I locked in a little bit of money there, no problem. But right now the trend is coming down based on this short-term graph. We have our 13 EMA coming down. We have our 5 EMA. Is it 5? Yeah, we have 5 EMA coming down. I have an 8 EMA coming down. So I was able to catch this move right here because I went short right here. So I was able to catch this and almost this entire move. I was able to catch it. Just took a nice little small little game there. But like I said, this show I'm doing, man, I'm practicing my short-term trading and following the indicators as it shows me to take my trades. So right now it looks like we're trying to trend back up again. I'm just gonna wait. So one successful trade, I'm waiting for the next one. So as of right now, as you guys can see, so the bottom chart here is my RSI, your relative strength index. So whenever the higher this graph goes, right? When it goes higher here, the higher the price goes. And you want to short. Once you get above, there's a number on the side. Once you get above 70, usually you could take a short trade because in the short term that could mean you're oversold. Sorry, you're overbought. Sorry, you could short right here. But if the opposite way, if you do get a downtrend come below, I think 20, then that's oversold. So right now we just got another cross. It's another cross right here. So confirm. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Let's take. So it's telling me to go long. Let me go long. Let me use 40x this time. Higher leverage, but we're using $30 this time. Let's do $30. Go long. All right, let me place my trade. Go long. Are we in? Yep, where it says go long. And we're using 40x. Let me set my stop loss. Let's do a 5% gain, and let's do stop loss. Let's do 5%. So basically, we could let the trade play out fully. I'm not going to do anything this time. So either way, it's either the trade plays out in my direction or I get liquidated, right? You see, right? You see my liquidations on the bottom here and my take profits on the top here. Right? So let's see what happens. I want the trade to play out longer, and let's see. And like I said, I might change my mind and just go ahead and just sell it right early. So the idea is whenever the chart tells me blue cross, I'm just gonna do it. I'm not hesitating, right? So we had our first. So basically, what I did, am I going long or short? And remember, these things are not 100% foolproof, by the way. They're not 100% foolproof. Okay. So I'm using a strategy here that I got on Grok earlier, and it has a 70% win rate, which is pretty good. Let me see. Where'd you go? Where'd you open premium? All right, Grok. Okay. Let me mute this. All right, I'm gonna mute that real quick. I want you guys to listen to this real quick. So this is a move. The strategy that I'm using. See that? Now I have two crosses. This is the reason why this strategy works or it might not work, because it told me to go long and now it's time to go short immediately. This is a problem with this indicator. It's not 100% foolproof and it could change either way. So right now I'm kind of stuck because now I'm in a position where should I take my long, stay on that long, or stay short? And I don't really know right now. What I do know is it could go either way, right? So right now I'm kind of in the middle, not really know what to do. We are trending back down, and we'll see. We'll let this. Like I said, I have my stop loss set at losing I think a 5% stop loss. Let's see what happens. But yeah, let me play this for you guys real quick. So this is what I'm using. A different strategy today, and it's a 70% win rate. I'm gonna play this for you real quick. 1 second. Paraphrase. So I like to try different strategies and see which one works well the most. Whichever one works well the most is what I'll stick to. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna play this for you, man. This is strategy I'm currently using, man. It's a very low. It's the top moving averages crossovers for the 1 minute scalping, and it's basically 70% accurate, right? They're 5 strategies, but the strongest one is the one I'm currently using right now, based on Grok, right? So let me play this for you guys real quick. Let me play this for you guys. Give me a second.
Here's a clean, paraphrased version that keeps the meaning, structure, and trading logic intact while using fresh wording and phrasing. Top moving average crossover setups for 1 minute crypto scalping, proven 2024 to 2025. Trading crypto on the 1 minute time frame is chaotic, but it can be highly lucrative if you use ultra-fast strategies with strong filters that account for crypto's unique traits. Non-stop trading, abrupt pumps and dumps, funding events, and extreme volatility. Below are the 5 most effective moving average crossover strategies currently used by real crypto scalpers, based on recent backtests and active trader feedback from 2024 to 2025. These setups perform best on BTC, ETH, SOL, and high liquidity altcoins. Rank, strategy, moving averages, reported win rate, best markets, key insight. These setups perform best. 1. 5-8-13 EMA ribbon plus volume. 5-8-13 EMA 68 to 74%. BTC ETH Sol, most reliable 1-min scalping setup. 2, 9-21 EMA with Heiken Ashi. 9-21 EMA 65-70%. Majors and strong alts, exceptional noise reduction. 3, 8-13-21 EMA crossover. 8-13-21 EMA 63 to 68%. BTC ETH BNB, cleaner signals, fewer fake outs. 4, 3-8-13 EMA high aggression. 3-8-13 EMA 70-cent plus higher risk. Sol Doge Pep pure momentum trading. 5, 20 to 50 EMA plus VWAP, 20-50 EMA plus VWIP, 60 to 65%, BTC ETH, mean reversion focused. Now, so number 1, 5-8-13 EMA ribbon with volume confirmation, top choice for 1-min crypto. This remains the most consistent scalping strategy in 2025, especially on BTC and ETH. Long entry conditions. 5 EMA above 8 EMA and 8 EMA above 13 EMA clearly fanned upward. Price closes above the 5 EMA. Volume is at least 1.5 times the 20-period average, or use a volume surge indicator. Optional confirmation. RS6 above 60. Short entry. Reverse all conditions. EMA stack downward. Volume spike. RSI 6 below 40. Exits. Conservative. 5 EMA crosses back below the 8 EMA. Aggressive. Trail a stop beneath the 13 EMA. Typical targets. BTC 0.25 to 0.45%. ETH Sol 0.6 to 1.2%. Why this works in crypto. The 5-8-13 EMA sequence, Fibonacci based, syncs perfectly with short-term momentum bursts that often occur around funding windows and news reactions. Out 2, 9-21 EMA with Heiken Ashi candles, cleanest overall signals. This setup eliminates most false signals on noisy 1-minute charts. Configuration, use Heiken Ashi candles instead of standard candles. Apply the 9 EMA and 21 EMA directly to the Heiken Ashi chart. Rules, buy green Heiken Ashi candles, 9 EMA crossing above 21 EMA. Sell red Heiken Ashi candle plus 9 EMA crossing below 21 EMA. Exit on the opposite crossover. Many professional scalpers favor this method in 2025 because Heiken Ashi candles filter out a large portion of market noise that ruins traditional EMA crossovers. 8-13-21 EMA triple crossover. A slower but more stable alternative, especially effective during sideways or choppy sessions, often seen in Asian trading hours. Long, 8 EMA above 13 EMA, above 21 EMA, with price holding above all 3. Short, 8 EMA below 13 EMA, below 21 EMA, with price below all 3. Optional enhancement, use an ultra-fast EMA, such as a 5-period, crossing the 8 EMA for earlier entries. Number 4. 3-8-13 EMA strategy, high-risk meme coin scalping. Designed for extreme volatility environments like meme coins. Enter long when the 3 EMA crosses above the 8 EMA, while both remain above the 13 EMA. Performs best during the first 5 to 15 minutes of explosive meme coin moves.
Do you see that, guys? Nice big candle, man. Look at that. So I'm probably going to sell right here because I will have, what's it called? I'm up 2.7%. That's all I need. Like I said, close that trade. I'm happy. Can't complain. Close it and move on to the next one. And now we'll see. Yeah, it could still be going higher, by the way, but for now we'll just close that. It's this stuff does work. It does work, right? So what I just played for you is basically the 5 trading strategies, right? That I'll be using to win. But what I want the most accurate one. That's what I want. And that's what that's what I'm using right now, right? So basically, what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna post this for you guys and a summary, so you guys not been reading nothing, right? You know, because I think what happens is people. Okay, right here, the best trading strategies, right? Best trading strategies. The 5-8-3 EMA. That's the first one. Then number 2 is the 9-21 EMA. That's the one I was using. That's the one I've been using the past couple of weeks. Then the third one is Ace 3-21 strategy. The fourth one is 3-8-13 high aggression. The 5th one is 20-50 EMA and VWAP. So that's what this is. So I'll make a post about this so you guys could it'll be easier to, you know what, I'm going to do that right now, man. And I think you guys will have have a better sense of exactly. And this works on the 1 minute charts, right? The 1 minutes. So so I sold already. I probably could have held longer, but I'm like I said, my goal is I want to train my brain to sell immediately once I get 2-3%. That's it. That's all I want. I'm not looking for nothing crazy because, like I said, eventually I'm going to be using much higher leverage eventually with small dollar value or higher dollar value, and higher dollar value and what's it called, and small leverage. So I need to be able uh, to be confident in my trades. And like I said, this right here, let me see something. I love the way they broke it down for me here, because it told me the accuracy of these things. I think it broke it down at the very end. Um, let me see. Let me see. It broke it down. Let me see. Let me trading. Yes, right here. Okay, I need to flip it. Maybe what I'll do is I'm gonna take a screenshot. All right, I think it's
Rapid
almost done.
gains are
1 second, it's
possible,
almost done.
but losses must be cut immediately when the 3 EMA reverses. F5, 20 to 50 EMA with VWAP deviation, range trading hybrid. Best suited for low trend or overnight BTC ETH sessions. Long, price dips to or below VWAP plus 20 EMA crosses above 50 EMA. Short, price moves above VWAP plus 20 EMA crosses below 50 EMA. This approach blends trend confirmation with mean reversion behavior. Essential crypto-only filters, highly recommended. 1. Avoid trading within 5 minutes of BTC funding rate settlements. 2. Only trade when 1 minute ATR 14 is above its average. 3. Don't trade against a strong higher timeframe trend. Use the 200 EMA on the 1-hour chart. 4. If available, confirm with order book heat maps or CVD. Fast track setup for 2025. If you're starting fresh on Binance or Bybit, trade BTC or ETH perpetuals. Use 5813 EMA plus volume plus RSI 6. Limit leverage to 5 times the 10x. Risk 0.5 to 1% per trade. Expect 15 to 40 valid setups per day during London, New York overlap. If you want, I can provide the exact TradingView Pine script with alerts for strategy number 1 or number 2. Just let me know.
So you see that, right? So it's very remember, I just sold this. This is what I'm saying about how when you're trading the short candles, you gotta be fast, right? Look at this. So I got my cross around, where is it? I got my cross around right here, and I rolled this up to around right here, and I saw right here. If I held it, I could have gone up more, but look what happened after. This is the reason why I don't mess around like with the short-term trade. You want to be quick. So what I'm going to do for you guys is this. I'm going to make a tweet right now showing you exactly what the setups are and how to do this. And remember, anybody could do this. This is not like, oh, I need to go learn, pay anyone. No, anyone could do this, guys. I just been actively trading for the past couple of weeks, for past couple of months. But I've been aggressive. Oh, let me get some music. What's that? Yeah, I've been aggressive just recently, right? So I I don't I don't want you guys to feel like you can't do this. Anybody could do this with any dollar value. All you gotta do is just follow the instructions I'm giving you, and go back and watch the videos and watch what I'm doing, and you'll be fine. And you'll be able to be profitable. So let me take a screenshot of this, and I'll post exactly what you guys need to do. Okay. So, and the percentage of win rates I like that too, because it's telling me exactly. Perfect. So the strategy is ranked, right? The setup I have. Remember, I just came from a dentist, so I have to be careful while I talk. So the number one strategy for trading a 1 minute chart is a 5-8-13 EMA strategy. Okay. So basically, we're using 3 moving averages, 5, 8, and 13. And once they intersect, then you get those crosses, short or long. Okay. It has a 68 to 70% win rate. That's all you need. 68% to 74% win rate. That's all I need. If I lose 30% of the time, that's fine. As long as I stick to my guns, I make sure I do what I'm supposed to. You're gonna be okay. So let me see if I can take a screenshot of this, man. Give me a second. Let me go. Let me go to my Twitter page and see. 1 second, guys. One sec. I'm going to the premium right now. I want to check my Grok history. Perfect. Perfect. Let me bring this back. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Snippet. 1 second. I'm going to post this for you guys right now, so you guys have the info. Okay. I want you guys to win, man. I want you guys to win, and I want you guys to win with me. For real. And I think you can, for real. Oh, wait. Let me let me take a screenshot real quick. Grok. I need a screenshot that shows. Very soon, I'm telling you, if you learn this stuff properly, you never have to worry about anything anymore. Like all you be doing is just trade every day. Can you? That's the position I'm trying to get to. Can you imagine just waking up, going to work, or not going to work, just waking up and just trade all day long, traveling to wherever you want to go to, and just making money wherever you want to. That's the power of what I'm trying to show you guys right now, man. There you go. Perfect. I'm gonna make a post right now for you guys. Okay. 1 second. Let me post that right now. All right. Oof. Where'd you go? Where are you? Best trading strategies. There we go. Okay. All right. Let me post it right now. If you're watching me on YouTube, I am on Twitter. KoolCrypto VC. You guys could have access to my Twitter page and see what I'm posting here, because we are live on YouTube and on Twitter live. So this is for you guys, okay? So anyone watching me right now, this is for you guys. Okay, so best moving average crossover strategies for the 1 minute scalping. Okay, tested. On a 1 minute chart. Okay, here are the five top moving averages, crossover strategies that actually work in real crypto scalping accounts right now for Bitcoin, ETH, and Solana, and alts, I guess, ranked by live trader feedback and recent recent back tests. So they've been proven. Beautiful. Wait, what do you say? But also extremely profitable when you use setups that are fast, filter aggressively, and respect crypto specific behavior 24/7. 24/7 market. Sudden pump. Okay, yeah, done. Let me funding rates. I don't want all this noise, man. Let me see. Sudden. No, fuck it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. No, fuck that. I don't want that. Extremely. Uh, okay, let me take this out. Okay. All right, I'm posting right now. Okay, guys, this is my strategy. Okay, this will work for any crypto asset you're trading. Okay, or in general, any scalping you're doing for the 1 minute. So you apply this into work. Okay, so let me post it for you guys real quick. All right, done. I just posted on my page right now. So let's go back to this trading stuff. All right. Let me just make sure it what does it look like. All right. There you go, right here. Best moving average crossover strategies for trading. Yeah. So you save this. It's on my page right now. I just posted it. This will guide you. I took a screenshot of exactly. I used the number one, the first one, right? The first indicator. That's your moving averages. Oh yeah. Hey, Justice, what's up, bro? What's going on, man? Oh yeah. So check my page right now. The number one, the first one. Okay, that's the one that I use. And okay, we are we missing some trades here? I don't want to miss anything. Okay, so we possibly gonna be shorting soon because we can see the momentum is dying down for the longs. Okay, so you're probably gonna be shorting soon. So we'll wait for our crossover again. Wait for our next crossover. So so when you go to when you go to the moving averages in the indicator, just type in EMA. But when you type in EMA, type in EMA triple EMA. Okay, let me see what it looks like. What the triple EMA is, right? Let me show you. Let me see what it looks like. 10, 9. No, this is not what I want. Let me see. No. This is not what I want. I want. Let me go back. Oh, I'm missing my trades here. It's okay. Let me take this out. Tima. I don't want this one. So once you go to the indicators, right? You type in EMA and you see type in EMA into indicators on any chart. Right? You see list. So you should pick EMA cross. When you hit EMA cross, right? Okay, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. When you hit EMA cross, right? You go right here on the screen. You say EMA cross 9 and 26. You click setting. You change your setting to, remember the tweet. It's 5. We're using 3 moving averages, right? 5 and 13. You type in 5 right here. 5 right here. Change it to 5 and change it to 13. Okay. Once you change this, press OK. Okay. And once you do that, let me take that out. I don't want to double it up. Okay. Remove. Then you go back to your EMA again. Go back to EMA again. Regular EMA. Just type in moving average. You press this one and change that to 13, and that's it. So whenever I get my crosses happen, let me show you what it looks like. You see the crosses. One second. That's it. Oh yeah, hey, there you go. Look at that. This is what it looks like. See that blue cross? That blue cross, right? Perfect, right there. Perfect. So these are my indicators. This cross is what I'm looking for. So it's telling me basically the orange one is my 5 EMA crossing above my 8 EMA. Okay, once it does that, you get a blue cross. Once I get that blue cross, I go long immediately. And my white line here is my 13 EMA, because eventually it's going to go above the 13 EMA. And once you get above 13 EMA, you're on an uptrend. So that's what the indicator is doing for me. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So let me zoom in here. So that's basically what I'm doing, guys. There's nothing to it. I'm just following what indicators are telling me. And like I said, it's not 100% foolproof. Okay. Aliyah, what's bye? Oh. Bye. Oh my God. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Okay. Bye. Bye. Say bye. All right, go. I'll see you later. Bye, big girl. Let me close that door. Okay, close the door. Hi, big girl. Love you, buddy. That's not a big girl, man. She's going to ballet. While her daddy, gymnastics. Sorry, going gymnastics. While her daddy's DJing trading. All right, cool. So, so those are the EMAs I'm using right now. But yeah, man, well, the chart is so basically I did sell a little bit too early, right? On my trade I had earlier, I had a blue cross right here, and I rolled all the way up and I sold up here from this blue cross, right? But so I'm waiting for my next entry right now. I'm still waiting. Let's take a look. Oh, I got them on my other cross. It's telling me to short. But like I said, this stuff is not 100% foolproof. It does have a 70% win rate. So which means 30% of the time you might be losing. You might. So as a matter of fact, did this say long? I have to take a look. You have to make sure you guys are getting the right thing here. So let's take a look. Yeah, so it's a strong a strong push to go negative. Yeah, so it wants me to short. So let me take my short, guys. So let me put my short in. Yeah, because I'm on the show. I'm not as fast. So I want to be as quick. You want to be as quick as possible. So I got my blue my blue cross taking me to short. So let me. Oh, I look at I'm missing the thing. Okay, short. Let's do 40x leverage right now. We're using $30 again, $33. Let's do 5% gain and 5% loss, stop loss. So place your trade. Okay, trade placed. Okay. Let me just go double check real quick. So we're 40x shorts. I'm using $30 right now. 40x short, $30. We're already in the green, but it's very. I'm like, things could change, right? We're still very early in the trade. I wasn't too early because I'm on the show live, but normally I like to get in early. Immediately once I see that blue cross, I want to go take my trade immediately, but I didn't because I was on the show, so I took it like down here. No worries. So, like I said, because this is supposed to be a fast trade, so you're in and out. You're not supposed to be in long, and if things do go wrongly, I do have my stop loss at about I think 5%. I think. Let me see. My stop loss set at. I think I'm at. I think it's 5%. I think. So the best time to honestly trade is not necessarily on the weekend. The weekdays are the best because we have more volume, right? Because it's Friday. The U.S. stock market's already closed already, and you're not necessarily gonna get a lot of volatility right now. The best time to trade is on a weekday. And remember, I said about how these things are interesting because it looks like I have another cross right now to go up. So it told me to short, right? Right, may say short or long. 1 second. 1 second. Let me check. Yeah, so he told me to short, and I did. And now I got another cross 10 minutes long. So this is why I said like sometimes this thing might go the opposite way. Right now it's going the opposite way, and that's why like have your stop loss. This strategy is only, I think from the tweet I just posted, is only 70 68% to 70% accurate, which is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie to you, which is pretty good. So am I willing to bet money on this? Yes. If I could win 70% of the time, I'll take it. But a lot of times, to be honest with you, it might be a good idea to be patient with this. You don't always just jump into every cross, and of course, you always want to analyze. I'm not analyzing anything. You want to analyze what the RSI looks like. You want to analyze what the MACD is doing. The MACD is right here. Our MACD's right here. What the MACD's doing. I don't like what the MACD's doing. So my entry was right here. Right around here, okay? And it looked like the trend is coming down, right? But I probably wouldn't have gone in this because if you look at the MACD, the light red is showing me that the sellers are about to lose momentum. But I went short anyway, so I probably shouldn't have gone in this trade. But that's why it's good to analyze. So right now I'm already down. I'm down 2.1% right now, but not too worried because, like I said, I have my stop loss. The stop loss is in for about like I think 5% on the stop loss. But it's good to, when you, it's interesting. I think once you get across, it might be advisable to wait maybe 1 or 2 candles to see how things play out. And also watching, because it looks like the trend might be going up right now. As a matter of fact, it is going up, but I already put a short in, so I'm down because the trend is going up. So that's always the question to me. When I start using a lot of money, I don't want to be jumping to the first cross that I see, because I jumped in the first cross that I saw on this trade right now is at a loss. If I waited, I would have seen another cross, which was more positive. But this thing, because it's just short time frame, it does flip negative positive instantly, right? So we'll see what happens there. We just kind of wait and see see what happens, man. A lot of these things is just wait and see, guys. But my idea is I want to be able to use a lot of money to trade and use small leverage. So immediately I win $30, I sell. I win $30, I sell. The idea is to make $500 a day or make $250 per day. That's the idea. Because if I could do that, let me tell you, if I could make that much a day, because I want to make this a way where I don't have to be grinding airdrops and doing InfoFi going crazy. No, I want to limit that, right? So let me show you guys real quick. Why I'm like, why is it not possible? Or it should be possible. It should be possible to make that much money. Okay. So basically make $500 per day times 350. That's $182,000 a year. Why can't you do that? You can. Why not? What's stopping you? That's what all this stuff is for me. Is why can't I just make this a thing for me every day, right? And if you make $250 a day, divided by 2. Yeah. So to make $250 a day, you will make $91,000 a year. That's possible. Make $200 a day. You can. Because guess what? Basically, all you need to do is to have 10 winning trades a day of small money. Okay, you win $20 10 times a day. That's $200, guys. There's no reason why you can't do that. But it also starts from here, right? And that's the reason why I'm doing this. This show here, this live trading show I'm doing, this is not for experts, man. This is for novice people like me. This is for people that just started to trade, man. This is for people that are trying to get quick wins. Of course, if you make 10 trades a day, you're not guaranteed to win 10 times. You're not guaranteed to win 10 times. But if all you want is you want to win just $30 on your trade, $30 on your trade, $20 on your trade, that's all you're trying to do. So there are two options to do that. It's either you're using small amount of money, or your small amount of money with a big leverage, or a lot of money with small leverage. That's what you have to do. That's the only way. So using a lot of, if I say a lot of money, I don't mean like 100,000. No, a lot of money. It's a lot of money. I'll give you a range. If you're using $1,000 to $10,000, you could make $500 per day, 100%. Because now you're using small leverage, 5x, 10x. All you want is $30, $40 gain. That's it. Once you see you got $30, close that trade. You wait until you get your entry again, go back in again. Do that many times a day. Okay. Now the people that have a lot of money, the people that don't have a lot of money to trade, it might be more risky, because now you're talking about using small dollar value but much larger leverage. Now, which platform can you do this on? Let me show you guys real quick. So I'm going to switch to Avantis now. Avantis is the only platform, not only, is one platform that I use that does offer you making large leverage. Large. The highest leverage you can make on Avantis is 500x, guys. That's crazy. So I'm going to log in real quick, man, and show you guys. So I'm using Infinix right now. Infinix is this one. This is the highest leverage I could do on Infinix is 40x. Okay, that's the highest leverage I could do on Infinix. On Avantis, because he won't let me trade, man, unless Andre does this. I have to use I'm using my VPN, but if you live in one of those countries, you can't trade there. Let me see. Sometimes I have to log in twice to open this up. So just give me a second, guys. So Avantis does allow you to use a much larger leverage. Now, people that are trading with small amount of money, we're talking about like $5, $10, then you could do, but like I said, the high leverage you do means your liquidation risk is extremely high, which means you cannot mess around. You will have to be fast, quick with your moves, right? You cannot mess around. But I won't recommend that, though. If you're using small money and you want to scalp, and you don't want to be liquidated very, very quick, I'll probably recommend doing maybe like a 75x, right? Maybe. That's it. So let me okay. Can you guys see me right now? Okay, so this is Avantis right now, right? This is Avantis. Look at that, right? I'm logged in, right? Yeah. So basically, you want, okay, we're on Bitcoin right now. You want to do Avantis. Okay, let's see. Okay, $10 leverage. Look at that leverage. Okay, no, so you have to change. Okay, you have to change this. So zero. Okay, so when you use this feature, it's called zero fee trading, ZKP. This just gives you access to use the 500x or less, but it gives you zero fees, guys. Zero. So let me show you right now. I have 6K in it right now. I have 6K. Okay. Imagine me, I want to place a trade right now. Look at how much it's going to charge me in fees, guys. $200 in fees. Yeah. And if I leave the trade longer than an hour, it charges me $7 an hour if I'm trading with 6K. Okay. Now look what happens with my size. If I'm using 6K for 75x, I've increased my size to $450,000, man. That's the power of big leverage. Now look what happens when I change it. When I change it to 500x, $3 million in size. Yeah, man. This is the power of leverage. This is why a lot of big money like leverage, because what it does is it exponentially increases the power of your trading. If I take a trade right now, using my 6K with 500x leverage, that is $3 million in position size. That's a lot of power you're wielding. But at the same time, your liquidation is extremely high. Extremely high. So I would never do this. You're not trading. This is gambling right now. So when that time comes and I'm ready, because I'm not ready yet, I need to perfect my strategy. Okay. When I'm ready, I'll be trading with 1K. And I'll be using like a 5x, what? A 5x leverage. But the problem is, guess what? Because I'm doing a 5x leverage, I can't use ZKP, which means my fees will be high. It's not too bad, right? So I'm paying $2. I'm paying $2 per to open the trade. Okay, which means when I make money, I have to make above this. Which means for me to avoid this, I have to use ZKP, which I don't want to do. But we'll see. But if I want to avoid that, I could use $100 to trade, and then I could use ZKP, which would mean I won't have to pay those fees. Well, of course, liquidation is higher. I could use 75x. Sorry. Remember, I just went to the dentist, so I have to take it easy. All right, so I could take a trade right now, man, and play with it and see. Let's take a look at our chart. I'm using Avantis right now. Avantis is where I have my my very, very high leverage. So let's take a look. But my indicators are not the same here. So let me change my indicators to. Let me change them. Okay, so 50 moving average. No, I need this. I need to change. Okay, so I'm using a 5. Remember this trading strategy I posted on my Twitter page, and I posted by rank, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and every strategy based on 1 minute charts. Okay, so using a 5 and 8. 5 and 8 cross, perfect. And let me go back to my other. Oh wow, I'm in the green. Now I'm in profits, guys. So let me share my screen real quick. So remember, I took a short earlier. I'm in a short earlier, and my trade is playing now. So I'm up 1.4%, which is bullish. Remember, I'm not here to fuck around. I'm here to cash out immediately when I see I'm up 1, 2, 3%. I sell. Okay, because when I start using a lot of money, this 1% gain here will translate to like $20, $30, right? So let me close my trade real quick. Close it. I'm up 1.5%. Close it. We're here to make quick money and we fucking move it. I'm not here to hold on trades, guys. So let me close that trade. Let me go back to Avantis, okay? So, like I said, guys, if you're watching me, cool. This trading stuff, this is for like newbie of the newbies, guys. I am using like the very low EMA. I'm trying to make money as fast as I possibly can, but I'm practicing. I'm want to hone in my skills. When I become more confident in what I'm doing, then I'm going to start using a lot more money. Okay, because right now I'm taking small trades, right? So let me go back to I'm using Avanti. Ooh, look at that! I see. This is why I said like you cannot be mad, because if I didn't sell I could have got more money, but I don't care about that. There'll be another trade coming in, guys. So let me change this for a second. Let me change. So I'm currently on Avantis right now. Let me bring this down 1 second. Okay. I'm trying to zoom in here. So perfect. So I'm trading with the 1 minute charts. And so let me check my indicators again. I think I'm using, I need to add one more indicator here. Because maybe I changed platforms. So okay, so let me add the one second, guys. Okay. Let me change to 100. So I have a couple of moving averages here, okay? And it looks like these looking good right now, short to short, right? I guess. So let me take a trade, guys. My first trade, we're using $100. I mean, I'm using 75x leverage. I'm waiting for another. Let's take a look here real quick. So we just broke down. We just broke below. We just broke below the 100-day moving average. Broke below the the 50 moving average and 100 moving average. So I'm trading the 1 minute charts here. I'm kind of see what happens. I'm not going to take any trades until I get more crosses, right? I'm trading using the moving averages, the moving average crosses on the 1 minute charts, okay? And it looks like we're trying to trend back up a little bit here. Let me go back down. So we had a small little bounce on the bottom here. This is the RSI. And my MACD, let me see what my MACD looks. So the MACD looks like the momentum for the sellers. So see the MACDs right here. So when you see this light color red here, it just means the momentum is dying off. So we might go back on an uptrend. If you do go back on an uptrend, I'm going to get my crosses. And once I get my crosses, I go long. Okay. So I'm just waiting to see how this plays out. Waiting to see what happens. But it is interesting because right now we have a breakdown on the 50 moving average, and we're trying to push back up. Because a lot of times, once you break down on the longer term moving averages, you normally get a bounce. But I didn't take a shot. I'm just like chilling. Let me see what happens there. So we've broken above the 100 moving average right now. So I'm waiting to see what happens in the short term. But I believe we're probably going to break down below 90K, man. I don't know. We'll see. But like I said, guys, if you just join the show, that's pretty cool. I appreciate you for coming here. This live, I do this show every day, guys. I mean, every day. I'm just looking for my entries, guys. I'm switching back and forth from I'm using Infinix platform and Avantis. And let me do this for you guys. I'm going to, while we're waiting for our crosses to happen, while we're waiting, okay, we're waiting. We're probably going to get a cross pretty soon. We're probably going to get a cross pretty soon, guys. Very, very soon. Oh, yep. We're probably going to get a cross very soon. We're getting an uptrend. So let me get ready to go long. Probably let's use this one. So I'm gonna switch back to Avantis. So Avantis, I'm gonna use $100 using 75x leverage. This is the first time we're doing this. Let's see. I hope I don't get wrecked. Let's see. So let me position my stop loss. So let's set stop loss to low 3%. Let's set my gain to 5%. Let's do 5. Let me see. 10x, 75x leverage. $100, 75x leverage. Stop loss cannot be lower than 9%. Okay, it wants me to risk more. So so that's the minimum I could do. So let's do 10%. All right, so we have a stop loss 10%, and we're taking a $100 trade. And let me take profit at 20% because this is very high leverage. So 20% on my $100 gain is $20, right? $20 gain on a 75x leverage. That's my take profit, and my stop loss is set at the lowest possible, which is I think I could do 9. I think. Let me see. I think I could do 9. No, okay. I think 9.8, 9.7, 9.5, 9.5. 9.4 is my lowest level. So let's see. So I guess we're pushing back down again. Yeah, these indicators do work, man. Do work. Because like I said, I mean, based on my research, it says it has a 68 to 70% win rate, which is spectacular for me. That's all I need right there, man. So let me zoom in some more. So I'm waiting for my crosses, man. So basically, the blue cross, you see blue cross, right? The blue cross happens when the 5 EMA crosses above or below the 8 EMA. Very, very short time frames, okay? So I wait to see what happens. Either way, we get across, we're going to take our trade. I want to show you how this stuff works. Like I said, this stuff is not guaranteed. No, it's not guaranteed. No. But with a over 70% win rate, that's pretty cool to me. So basically, I made that tweet, guys. It should be on my page right now. So we're breaking down again. We're breaking down again. We're probably going to get positive. So because remember, markets don't go down in a straight line. It does turn green. It does turn red. It does turn green. So right now, it looks like the sellers are in control, man, right now. So I have to wait until I get some nice entries. I'm not, and that's another mistake I made. Yes, I've had very successful trading for the past couple of months, weeks, let's say 6 weeks. The moment I lose on trading is because I'm not patient, is because I am not sticking to what I'm looking on the charts. That's why I've lost. Yesterday was the worst day I've ever had in trading. Absolutely worst. I've never had that worst before. I've had many winning trades, many, and some losses. But yesterday was horrible. I wasn't patient. I wasn't following exactly what I was looking at in front of me. Once I see my blue cross and it looks good on the MACD, it looks good on my RSI, take a trade. Okay, that's it. I'm not do nothing else. Because when you overthink stuff, so these are crosses right here. Right, look at that. So you right here. If I took a trade right here, cross to short, you could have won this entire move, right? And so the interesting thing is you do get false signals, yes. But if you took a long right here, you could have won, and you could have lost right here. But if you had waited, look at the second cross. Look what happened after the second cross. Boom. Look at the uptrend. Look at that massive uptrend after the second cross. Boom, all the way up. Right? So the crosses do work, but the problem is it's not proof. It's not 100%. So you can't rely on it 100%. And that's why they say a lot of traders do lose money. So let me see. So I'm watching my crosses here. Oh, we have another cross, right? Do we? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. It was very faint. Yep, right here. I have to confirm it, guys. I have to confirm it. So it looks like we did for a brief second. But with the sharp price movements, it does go away because I'm sure 1 minute chart, right? It does go away. So we'll see. We'll see. I want to get positive ones, right? Yeah. So price coming. Oh yeah, we got our cross, guys. We got our cross. So let me take that trade, okay? So we have we're long 75x, $100. Take your trade. Take your trade. 75x long, $100. No fees. We're long, right? Boom, confirm. Done. Trade is in, guys. Trade is in. Yep. So my stop loss is set at to lose. Stop loss is set at 9%. A 9% stop loss, and I have a take profit at 20%. So let's see what happens, guys. Like I said, remember I said it's not foolproof because this stuff does. There is a room for error. Let's see what happens. So we're up $3, guys. Let's fucking go. Oh, sorry. I take that back. We're down $3. sorry. Because this one is different. We're down 4%. Remember, my liquidation point is 9%. So if it gets to 9%, then I lose, guys. Because the leverage is much higher. And like I said before, this is part of the reason why I would rather do the other way, where you use a large amount of money but small leverage. Because you have a lot of room to breathe, man. A lot of room. But all I'm doing right now, guys, we are learning together. That's all this is, right? So I have $100 on the line, 75x leverage, a 9% stop loss, and a 20% take profit. Okay. And let's take a look at this real quick. Let's take a look. So I did see my crosses, guys. I did see my cross. Unless it went away, because it does go away with crazy dips, right? I'm a little bit confident. I don't want to say I'm 100% confident. I'm a little bit confident, a little bit. I'm a little bit confident because of the size of the candles and this massive wick. But like I said, we'll see. We'll see it plays out, guys. So right now we're down 5%, guys. We're down 5%. Let's see, man. This is fucking exciting, man. It's exciting. Let's see. We got. We're trying to push back up, guys. We're down 2%. Trying to push back up. We want a nice uptrend. We got our blue. We got our confirmation going up from the RSI is going up. RSI is going up. Look at that, guys. We're going up, guys. We're going up, guys. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, man. All right, so we're up 0.2%. 75x go. Let's fucking go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me some more green candles, baby. Come on. Give me some more green candles, man. So we're up. We're barely up, though. Barely. 0.1% up. Strong green candles signifying a strong uptrend in the short term. But wait, bears is trying to push you back down, guys. So we're up 0.12%. 75x, guys. Let's actually play. Like I said, eventually I'm going to play a lot more money, guys. So let's see. We're up 0. Let me zoom in. So we're up 0.08%. We have a little bit of red candle trying to form, but we are in uptrend based on the short term moving averages. We're up a little bit, guys. But like I said, because I'm trading the 1 minute, I'm not trying to hold this for a long time, guys. I'm trying to be in and out quick. I would say basically a very small percent gain is what I'm looking for, because when that time comes, I'm trading with a lot of money. I want to be in and out quick. So I'm trading with $100, 75x, and my stop loss is 9%. My take profit is 20%. But if I see good amount of profits, I'm gonna sell. I'm not trying to hold. I'm in and out, guys, because short-term trading is very risky because it could flip in a dime. That's the reason why I like it and I hate it, because you can't hold for too long. You can't hold for too long. So we'll see what happens, guys. We're right now down 0.2%. But the reason why I'm not too excited, because I wish it was the weekday. The weekdays, because it's the weekday, markets are open, the stock markets are open, a lot of price movements, a lot more volume. So we do get more price action, right? That's what I was hoping for. But like I said, we're still on a mini uptrend. Let's take a look at the RSI. Our RSI is above pushing up to 50. We're still in a bullish trend. Our MACD still indicates the MACD is looking good for now. Let's see. We're break even right now. Yeah. So we'll see, man. We'll see. I'm doing this for you guys, all right? I mean, and guys, check my Twitter page. By the way, I did post the moving averages I'm using. I did post by rank which one is a plus or negative. Which one works, which one doesn't, or which one doesn't. So, but the number one, based on AI, I use ChatGPT and Grok and my YouTube videos. I read my research. Based on this, the best strategy for the 1 minute scalping is the 8. Just check my page, guys. It's there. Check my page, my Twitter page. I posted on my Twitter page, KoolCrypto VC. You can see it, okay? So right now we're going sideways, which I hate. Sideways action on a short min time frame. I absolutely hate that, because you can't do nothing. You absolutely could do nothing. So we'll see what happens, guys. How do I open this then? I gotta zoom it. There you go. Perfect. All right, so it looks like the buyers are losing steam. You can see it on the MACD. So am I down? I'm down 0.7%. So yeah. Hey, my boy. What's up, boy? I got you, boy. No problem. All right. So yeah, man. So this is trading in the short term, guys. But like I said, I do not like trading sideways. I would have loved to catch the lower candles there. I could roll this uptrend. But as of right now, we're still in the uptrend. Based on the moving averages, it could flip in a second, right? We'll see. So we'll see. But like I said, I do not like this because I hate sideways markets. Um, so we are. I am down right now. Currently, I'm down 1%. Let me zoom in. I'm down $1 three. I'm down $1 3 cents. Down 1%. So we'll see, guys. Yeah, man. Trading is fun, man. Trading is fun. I think as long as you're winning most of the time, that's the idea. The idea is not to lose. The idea is to win. You do not want to be losing, guys. You want to be winning. That's the idea. I don't want to be losing, man. I want to win. That's the idea. Okay. So, and I think that this short-term strategy that I'm trying to perfect here, I think if you could do it right, you could make a lot of money. And like I told you guys already, where for 2 weeks, for the past 3 days, my win rate has been like 70 to 90%. My win rate, no joke. I showed you my trades. Yes, I'll show you. I'll show you again today. Oh, my charger. Hmm. My phone is about to die, guys. Let's plug this shit in. Oh boy, this is my camera. Guys, give me 1 second, guys. I might lose you for a second because it looks like I need to plug my computer in. Just give me a second, okay? I'm still here. I just need to fix this real quick. Still here, still here. You guys just lost me for a second, okay? I'm still here. Oh shit. Oh man. I gotta take this off. I'm still here, guys. Let me check the audio. I'm still here, guys. I just had to fix the camera real quick, okay? Give me a second. Uh, uh, second there. At the screen. Uh, All right, cool. Okay, let's go back to our trade. Am I losing? Did I get my butt kicked? Okay, okay. We're back in green, guys. We're back in the fucking green, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I'm up about 0.1%. Like I said, I'm not these crosses do work, right? Let me see. These crosses do work. These EMA crosses. I'm just using the moving averages as an indicator to make my trades, right? And it is not 100% foolproof, right? But from what I've seen so far, it's worked for me. It actually works, but it's not 100% foolproof. I don't have to win 100% of the time. I just want to win at least maybe 80% of the time. If I can win 80% of the time, man, I'm happy, man. Because trading is freaking hard, guys. It's freaking hard, especially when you trade in lower time frames. Lower time frames is crazy difficult because things go straight, and that's the reason why I'm using the short EMAs. Right, the short EMAs do give you better entries when it comes to the 1 minute to 2 minutes. Because, and I will show you proof, right? I'll show you the proof, right, that I've been winning on these trades, man. But the problem is, I don't like the fact that I'm in this trade for long like this. I don't like it. I hate it because I liked. Oh, did we get a cross? I think I see a cross, guys. I think I see a cross. Let me zoom in. Yes, I do. Right here. Yep. But that doesn't mean it's gonna play out, right? I said cross, right? There's a cross right here. There's a cross right here, which indicating an uptrend, right? Based on that, you see it right there. Boom. Right there. So two crosses indicating an uptrend. I'm just following what this thing is saying. It's not foolproof 100%, like I said, but it should work 78% of the time based on the research. And we'll see how this plays out, guys. I just don't like this taking too long because I want to be in and out, guys. I don't want to be here, man. I want to be in and out. But we're still up. We're up 0.2%. Like I said, for me, the idea is once I start trading with a lot more money, I want to let me zoom in, man. Let me zoom in because I want you guys to really see. Let me give me a second, guys. Let me zoom in some more, man. One second. It's difficult to do this because I am using like 3 computers, man. And I just switch over because my battery about to die here, so I have to switch over. So I apologize for the weird. Why is that going up? There we go. What am I doing? There we go. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. There we go. This is what I want. There we go. So I can see the price is a lot better. Perfect. There we go. There we go. Now you can see all the moving averages and all this stuff. There we go. This is what I want. Perfect. All right, man, guys, we're still up about 0.3%. I mean, like I said, if I was using a lot more money, I probably would have closed my trade already. I do not want to be in the trade for too long because look, if I'm probably going to turn negative now. Yep, just like a negative. Because the reason why when you're trading when you're trading on the 1 minute charts, right? The price movements are very fast, but you want to be able to take advantage of them. And if it doesn't go your way, it's very quick, right? And that's the reason why I don't like to be in long. I want to be in and out quick. So it looks like we're going to come test this green line here. This is the 50-day moving average. The bottom line here, the bottom one, this is the 100-day moving average. So these are strong resistances when it happens, right? So see right now, look, I had a cross on a down and it just changed. So these crosses do happen very, very quick in and out. But we're gonna sit tight and see what happens, how the trade plays out. As of now, it looks like we're trying to trend back down, because if you could, the MACD is what I look at. The MACD right now, let me zoom in for you guys. So you see, right? This is the MACD. When it's dark green, momentum strong. Look how thin that is. The buying pressure is dying down a lot, man. And it looks like I'm about to go into the red now. We're about going to a downtrend, because, like I said, you can't hold these trades for too long, because look at that. Look at that big. Where am I? I'm sorry. It looks like we just had a massive red candle. Oh, jeez. This is why I hate playing with this, man. Let me damn it. I hate this thing, I swear. Okay, let me give me a second, guys. Let me try and fix this. Down. Give me a second. I just zoomed in too much. I can't see what the fuck I'm doing, man. This is the reason why I hate this. My computer, I had to switch, so now I can't see what the fuck I'm doing. Let me reset. No, I don't want to close it. What are you doing? No. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ. I swear. This is why I like the other one I was using. Here we go. This is my MACD. I gotta get my MACD back down. I'm sorry, guys. Just give me a second, guys. Just bear with me. Oh, Jesus. This is frustrating because I'm currently in the tree. I don't know what the fuck is going on, man. And messing with this computer, man. I apologize. I apologize, guys. Okay, I'm like, these okay. Let me delete the RSI, man. No, sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to just close everything and just restart everything, because this is driving me fucking nuts right now. Jesus. Fuck. Okay, you know what? Remove. I'm just gonna take everything out. I'm gonna take everything out and start it again. Okay. Because okay, let's see. I need you to go up. This is the reason why I went to use my other computer, but my battery died, so I had to switch over, and this thing is give me the business right now. Jesus Christ, are you serious? You know what? Okay, here we go. So we're down $1. We're down like 1.5% right now. But I'm doing a full reset, guys. I have to add all my indicators back again. Actually, this is a good thing. So right now I'm trading the 1 minute charts, right? Like I said. So I'm adding all my indicators. Like I said, the indicators I'm using, very simple. I'm gonna go to indicators here, and I want EMA. I want EMA. Just type in moving average. Done. Okay. And I'm gonna change my moving average. Let's change it. I want my moving average. I'm using what I posted online on my Twitter page. So let me go back here. My moving average that I posted was 5, 8, and 13. So the longest one is 13. So 13. Okay, so let's go back here. Go back to Go back to indicator. Okay, indicator. Okay, I need my EMA cross. Okay, I'm gonna type in EMA. So I need EMA cross. Okay, I'm gonna click it. Okay, once I click that, I'm gonna double click here on the cross. Okay, I'm gonna go to no, not this. Double click here. There we go. So I need to change my email crosses by 2. I need my 5. Remember, we're using the strategy that I started using today. I need my 5 EMA, which is short, and my long side here changed to 8. So I'm using a 5, 8, 13 strategy. Okay, this is only for the 1 minute charts. Okay, all right. So we're good. We're good. We're back. We're almost there. Almost there, guys. So let me bring this back up. So let me add back my RSI. We're still down. We're down $1. We're down 1.9%, guys. So you know what? I could add. Let's add the longer day moving averages. The 50, 100, and 200. Because basically this kind of tells me the long-term trend of where the market is going, right? So I'm going to go back again and type in EMA, but it's right, we're already here. So we'll click on moving averages. Moving average, I'm pressing 3 times. Okay. So I'm just going to, you can see them, all the blue lines, it is the 3 moving averages I just clicked. I'm going to double click the first one. Anyone, double click one of them. So I'm going to change them to 200. I want 200, 150. So 200, 200, 200. See that? That's that blue line. I want it to be white. I want it to be white. So I want it to. I go to style, click this. I like it white so I can see it, and I want to make it thick. There we go. Like you see that, right? Perfect, thick. And let's go back again. I want to change my other ones. Inputs. No, not that one. Cancel. So let's go back to. I have 3 of them open up. So change this one to 100, 100, because this shows me if the entire market is going into an uptrend or downtrend. Oh, I'm sorry. What did I just do? 100 moving average. Okay, 100. Let me see. You know what's funny? To make it easier, I'll do it right here. To make it easier, let's do it right here. So I'm just changing. I'm just trying to reset my chart here again. So edits. I got my 100. Change this to 200. Because this lets me know if my moving averages are trending up or down, and it also gives me a sense of the market conditions overall as a whole. 100, 200. I need 50. One more. Let's change to 50. So 50. All right, cool. Perfect. All right. What the fuck is this? This is my. God, we're actually down 3% right now, guys. Market's trading a lot lower than I would like. Change this to white. Solid. I want solid line. 50-50. All right, cool. Okay. But for me, the most important part for me is let me give me a second, guys. The most important part for me is my crosses. and we've had one cross earlier, which signifies a downtrend. But I'm in the long right now, down 3% of my trade. So I'm trading $100, 75x. Or let me. This is my other one. Let me change it. This is my. This is my 200-day. I want to change to a white line. So white. No, white. Okay, cool. Oh, no, I want it to be thick. We want the thick lines, man. All right, man. We see the trade, guys. Just waiting to see what happens, man. Perfect. All right. This 50 moving average, I might take it out, man, because it's blocking my stuff. I can't really see the fuck I'm doing, so I'm gonna take this shit out. Oh, that's why it's not 50. 50. There we go. 50. There we go. All right. All right, man. So we're about to test some key moving averages, man. I'm hopefully we bounce them here. But usually, once we test these moving averages, the price usually bounces, right? I'll show you. I just restarted the page. Let me see if it resets properly. Yeah, man. I love trading, guys. Like I said, you guys make a lot of money, man. You do it right. Like I said, my goal is to make $200 to $500 to 1K per day. That's my strategy. I'm not trying to get no big money. I want like 1,000x. I don't give a fuck about that. I just want to make a lot of money in a very short period of time. If you make $30 every day, $30 every day, in 30 days, that's $30 a day in my brain. That's $900. Let's say 1K per month. That's not a bad gig, man. 1K per month. Some people be happy about that, right? That's not bad. 1K per month, easy. But you could do better than that. We could do better. Not just me. We could do better than that. There's no reason why we can't make that much money, man. There's no reason why. There's no reason why we can't make that much money. Let me take this out, man, because I don't know why it's not recent like I want to, but take this out. The 50. Okay, cool. All right, man. So we're touching some key moving averages right now. I'm risking. I'm not using a lot of money yet. For now, I'm trying to make sure all these strategies work for me. I'm able to sell early and buy early or buy on time. If I lose, I want to know why I lost. You see right here, these moving averages are very, very strong. When the prices touch them, they usually bounce. Look at this bounce right here. Look at that. Look at this strong counter. So I'm hoping the trend continues because we didn't break down, right? This bounce to me might signify, fingers crossed, that we continue uptrend. Because the last time, look what happened last time. The last time we had any of our wicks or bars touched the moving averages, we did get a bounce after. So we'll see what happens from here. But right now, on the short term, we are in a downtrend. On the long term, we are in an uptrend. My 100-day moving average is telling me I'm in an uptrend. My 200-day moving average is telling me I'm in an uptrend. But my short-term averages are saying I'm in a downtrend because these moving averages are in the short term. These are 5, 8, and 13. But the long-term moving average, so we need to touch to get a bounce, right? We're bouncing them right now, so I'm hoping it continues, right? So we'll see. Very strong. But like I said, this is another way for you to have winning trades. Because if you understand that on the short time frames, we do get bounces on these moving averages, right? If you get a price, touches it, you just go long immediately, right? Of course, you want to use your MACD. Actually, my MACD is not here. let me type of MACD. MACD right there. So you could use this as an indicator, right? The moment it touches it, what did it do? What your MACD are we almost oversold, right? You could go long. So there are a lot of strategies you could use it, but for now, I'm just sticking to using the moving averages, right? To trying to see how can I work a winning strategy with this, which I've been winning with this, right? But I'm going to slowly start to increase the amount of money I'm using. But my end goal is to make many trades per day and to make 10 bucks, 20 bucks, 30 bucks per trade. So if I'm making 20, 30 bucks per trade, I'm going to make 150 to 300 bucks per day. And the better I get, I could accelerate it to a lot more. Look at that. We have a cross. We'll see. We'll see if it plays out, right? It went away. We just had a cross. It's very short. It's in the short term. In short term. But I'm in a trade right now. We're just playing it out and see what happens. But anyone can fucking do this shit, man. This is not like, oh, bro, go to school, go pay a bunch of money. Nah, man. I'm telling you, like, let me show you right now. I'm gonna show you. Oh, is it dead? I don't know. I hope he's not dead. My other computer play music on might be dead, man. And this is almost charged. Let me start plugging in, man. Yeah. I hope I could revive this thing. Let me refresh. I was enjoying the vibes, man. I was enjoying the vibes. Yeah, man. So yeah, we have, yeah, look at that, man. So we do have, oh no, so am I, yeah, I'm on advances. Yeah, I'm on advances. So we do have a cross. So this is one of crosses I'm using to trade. So this is one of the crosses. When I get that cross, it should signify an uptrend, right? Based on the candles and based on the trend and all that shit. And if you guys take a look at this is a massive rejection. When you see this kind of candles, like I said, it's not always, 100% foolproof. But you ever see a candle like this? This is a massive buy pressure to cause this is called a hammer. I think you call it shooting star, whatever, or a hammer, or hammer stick candle. When you see a candle like this signifies an uptrend, right? So we'll see, man. We'll see. I'm on a trade right now, and I'm still holding it. We'll see. But I'm telling you right now, there is no reason why a lot of you guys, including me, why you cannot make money fucking doing this shit. There's no fucking reason why not, man. There's no reason, because I'm like, as long as you understand this shit, you understand that, okay, understand the moving average, understand the MACD, understand the when where the trends are bullish, when they're no more bullish, understand the trends. When you understand this, there's no reason why you can't make fucking money, man. There's no reason why. And understand risk management too. Understanding it. So right now, I'm gonna trade. Let's see. Are we up? Are we down? Let's see. So we're down 0.6%, right? We're down 0.6%. So we'll see what happens. What happens with this current uptrend? But like I said, just imagine if I was able to catch that bottom when the price touched the 200-day moving average. This, I do know this. I've tested it. The moment it touches, it usually bounces. Usually. So you could aid up this entire move right here, right? So these things do make sense. But like, look at that, right? So if I go long right here at my blue cross, when it crosses, you'd got that gain, right? And like I said, right, the idea for me is not to stay in this trade for too long. I want to go in and out, because very soon I'm going to be using a lot more money to trade this shit. I'm going to be using 3K, 5K, 10K, 1K, right? So I'm testing out first, right? I'm going to use a lot of money, small leverage, or small money, big leverage. Because right now I'm using $100 right now, using 75x leverage. That is, how much is that? That is how much buying power is that? That buying power is giving me is $7,500 right now. That is my current buying power, 7,000 power in the bucks, because I'm using $100, 75x leverage. So I haven't necessarily been, gotten close to being liquidated, because my liquidation, my stop loss is 9%. So basically, if I do get stopped out, I will lose like $9. You guys are home already? Hey, buddy. I go.
Dad, do you even know when we left?
Yeah, I know where you left. All right, go. Yeah, go. It's my big girl. Come on, say
Hi.
hi. Hi. All right, see you later.
I want to play
All right, press play. I tap it slowly. So the big, press it. Not working? There you go. Thank you, buddy.
Bye.
Bye. So Papa's DJing, or my daughter's back. Cool. Your base. You based in Nigeria, right? No. I'm in Houston, bro. No. I'm Nigerian though. I'm Nigerian. I'm not in Nigeria. I'm Nigerian, but I'm based in US, man. I was in Nigeria not long ago, man. I was in Nigeria like 3 years ago. Like 3 years ago, I was in Nigeria. So right now we're down just a little bit, man. Like I said, small uptrend, nothing to cry home about, but I would have loved to cast that move on the bottom. I would have loved that, man. I would absolutely would have loved that. Absolutely freaking I would have loved that. I'm trying to bring this down here so we can see this chart better. There we go. Okay. All right. All right, man. So yeah, man, guys, like, so the idea. So right now, right, I'm trading only with $100. So if I was using 1K right now, I'll be down $10. But imagine I'm able to continuously win $10, $10, $10, $30, right? But I'm using $100, right, on 75x. Now I wouldn't be using 5K on 75x. What I would be doing would be using like 5K to 10K on like a 5x leverage. See what I'm saying? So the idea for me is, eventually, for now, I'm trying to get my system worked out, which I have already. But sometimes the trade doesn't always go your way, right? It's not guaranteed, guys, right? It's not it. As long as you're winning more than you're losing, that's the idea. And if you lose, you're like, right now, if I close my trade right now, I'm only down 40 cents, man. Like, I'm still good. I'm fine. And that's the reason why my risk management, even if I get liquidated, guys, I'm only going to lose. Let me see. I'm only going to lose like, I think $9, I think. So I'm good. So 375x is not bad, but I wouldn't want to be holding trades for long. No. I want to be in and out. In and out. I'm talking about 5 to 10, 15 minutes. In and out, in and out. That's what I'm trying to do, man. So the idea is just to win multiple times, and that accumulation of wins. Because like, imagine you win $10 there, $5 here, $20 here, $3 here. You add that box that together. At the end of the day, you could have made $150. And the better you get at this, accumulates these short little wins. I'm not trying to win. I'm not trying to stay long with these trades, man. I'm in and out, in and out, in and out. Because as of right now, I'm down what? If I'm being up 1% is $1. Being up 5% is $5, man. And the higher your leverage, the more, of course, the more liquidation risk. Which I don't want to do that yet, right? I have done high leverage before, right? Very. I was trading 500x, like what, last week, right, or a couple weeks ago. But I don't like that because it you get liquidated too fast. I like this. Since 5x is still high, but because right now what I'm doing right now, my goal is not to make money right now. No, my goal for doing this, of course, to educate, of course. My goal is to learn exactly why things happen the way they do. That's my goal. Look at this. Look at this. I want to show you something. This is why I want to start do my videos, right? Okay. So whenever the price breaks the 200-day moving average, what happens? It kind of breaks under and the bounce is nasty back up, right? And it comes back down again and retest it again. And it kind of hovers, retest, and bounce back up again. And it comes down, like it's attracted to this 200-day moving average. It comes back down, touches it, and bounces back up again. As long as you know uptrend, that's all another thing, right? But look, we have been in an uptrend. Look at that. We've been in an uptrend for a long time, man. We've been in an uptrend ever since, and this is the reason why I'm doing this. And I'm learning what's happening. I'm paying attention. And what I'm looking at is, as long as we're in an uptrend, it will continue to bounce on the 200-day moving average. And this is an uptrend, guys. And this goes as far as, let me look at the date. December 12th. So I'm only 1 minute short. So I could change it, right? But basically from my dates are wrong. My time. Let me go here. So basically, I'm on VPN. So it's telling me that this was 8 p.m. today, and right now I'm at midnight. So that's about 5 hours. About 5 hours I've been on an uptrend, and like I said, for me, I'm just learning how these markets work. I'm studying what happens with the charts and all that stuff, man. That's what I'm studying, because when you study these markets, you're able to predict things before they even happen. You know what I'm saying? You're able to predict things before they happen, and you could have more confidence, man. Then that's when real money comes. That's when real money comes, man. When you start to predict things. So that's the reason why I'm starting to trade real money, but small money at first, to learn from my mistake. I'm going to make mistakes for sure, and when I make that mistake, I'm going to see why. Yesterday was my worst day ever for trading, because I neglected every single lesson I've learned from my research. I neglected everything, and it cost me. I didn't use stop loss because I was studying the markets. It was a lot of money. It was a lot of money, guys. It wasn't. But it was a big loss based on the percentage of it. It was a big loss. So right now, look at that. We just tossed the 100-day moving average. Let's see what happens. This is the 100-day moving average. This white line right here. The bottom one is the 200-day moving average. These moving averages are long-term indicators that determine, are we trending in uptrend. At least for now we are, right? And so far we've been breaking this, right? And the market's been bouncing off it so far. So let's see what happens. But yeah, man, it's fascinating, man. Because once you understand the moving averages, you understand, you create your own strategy. I'm not saying this one works for everyone. I'm just saying this one works for me. It works for me. And let me show you. Wow, this thing is, because I'm 3% down now. And another thing you could do is, because I'm down 3%, you could lower your entry. So you could be like, you know what? If this breaks down lower, just say touches 200 moving average again, I could say I want to lower my entry, add more money. So I could add like another $100. That would lower my entry level. So I could be in profit a lot sooner. And that also lowers the leverage. If I dollar cost into my trade now, my leverage would go from 75 probably down to like 50 or 30 or something. But let me show you guys real quick the strategy I've been using. So I'm gonna go to Infinix. So this is Infinix right now. I'm coming to use. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. When I'm saying that this shit works, man, this actually works. It actually does. So this is my trading history. Let me show you guys the wins I've had. Remember, these wins might not be big because of the dollar value, but no. I'm looking at the percentage of win. I'm not trying to get 10, 30%. No, because remember, very soon I'm going to using a lot of money or a lot more leverage. Okay. 1% win, loss, win, loss, win. This is me. This is me just doing this shit, man. I'm not capping. I'm not trying to guarantee you anything. You're going to lose, but idea is to win more than you lose. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make. You know what I'm saying? Let me switch back to my trade, man. Let's see what happens there. So the idea is to win more than you lose, and I've been successful using this strategy, trading trading the short-term trends. And it's beautiful, man. It's a beautiful thing to see because I'm telling you guys, my goal is to win multiple times per day. And those wins are $5, $10, $20, $30, and add those wins together. I want to make $250 per day, every day. If you win that much, this is how much you win. If you make $250 per day, every day, of course, it's not guaranteed. This is a rough idea, right? $250 per day is $90,000 a year. Do you guys understand? That puts you in the top 10% in America as the rich in America. Of course, $90K a year is not a lot of money in some states, right? Look at that. Look at that bounce, guys. Look at this. Look at this. What happened when the price touched the 100 EMA? Look at that bounce. Yes, that's real stuff, man. So the idea is to make. So what if you now make $500 per day, every day? $182,000 a year. Come on, man. I don't care what country you are. You make 182K a year. You're good to go. As a matter of fact, in some countries you make 90K a year. You're golden. Man, so basically, to make 50K a year, let me see. To make 50K per year, to make 50K a year, that's $138 a month. Are you telling me you cannot make $138 a month? Is that what you're telling me? That is impossible if you're trading. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Like, maybe let me just check. I'm gonna make my calculations correct. $138 every day. Let me just make sure I got my numbers right. Yeah, $138 every day is 50K a year. Yeah, there's no reason why you can't make that. There's no reason why. Of course, you're going to lose as long as you're winning more than you lose. And I just showed you. I went to my other account and showed you my wins. Of course, my wins are not massive. No, 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 no. But the percentage is what I'm looking at because I applied the exact same strategy that I'm doing right now to win that many times. A 70 to 90% win rate. Yeah. So it looks like the market's trending down, man, because now we're breaking down. We're breaking down or about to touch. We've broken down the 100-day moving average. Now we're breaking down the 200-day moving average. And guys, I'm not one of those guys that will tell you I win all the time. No. If I lose, I'm live. My money's on the line right now, man. I'm down 5%. So I'm down $5. So if I was using 1K right now, I'll be down $50. If I was up right now, I'll be up $50 just like that. $50 just like that if I was using 1K. So using 1K for I'm using 75x leverage, by the way. 75x leverage is what I'm using. All right. So we've broken below. Let me zoom out. God, I love this shit. I love doing this stuff, man. I'm telling you guys, I love this. This is because, like I said, I'm going to lose. I'm going to win, yes. But I'm showing you because guys, remember, I could win, I could lose. Because right now, if I was able to flip this, if I was using 1K to trade right now, I'll be up $70 instead of down $7. So right now will be so. Should I add onto my because we might be oversold, guys. Let me see. My RSIs are open. We broke straight down the let me add my indicators there. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, we sliced through that 20-day moving average, man. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let me because I'm approaching my what's it called? I'm approaching my where is it? My stop loss. My stop loss are 9%. So I'm approaching my stop loss, guys. So I'm trying to see. Because I could add on to my trade. Let's see. I want to see. Oh, yep. I got stopped out. I just got stopped out. Yeah, I just got stopped out, guys. So basically, let me take a look at this. I need my RSI. So I just got stopped out. So I set my stop loss at 9%. I just got stopped out, but we're below. So taking it long right now might not be a bad idea, guys. So, but I need to look. My indicators went on, man. I need to look at the RSI. I need to look at my MACD. Okay, perfect. Let me delete this. Okay. We are oversold, guys. We're oversold. So let me take a long. Let me take a long. Let me do let me use $100 again. Same 75x. Max. Oh no max. 6K. You want to 6K long? No. Let me use $100 again. I gotta be quick, guys. I wasn't ready. Let me use. Come on, hurry. You see, it's already going back up, guys. So long. Let me confirm. So 75XX, $100. Let's go long. Done. All right. So we went oversold, right? Why I went long, right? We're oversold on the RSI like crazy, and does a heavy dump, man, right? So let's see how this plays out, right? So let me set my I need to set my stop loss. Let me set my stop loss. Let me set my stop loss here. Stop loss. Same thing. Let's do stop loss. Let's do is it 9? Let's do 9 points. No. No. What am I doing? Take profits. Let's do 50%. I'll sell before that. Stop loss. Let's set stop loss at 10%. Let's do 9% again. 9.4. The lowest. 9.4%. So place order. Place order. Did it work? Oh, guys, I think I have to change from here. Oh yeah. Sorry. I went to the wrong spots. Let me just update this real quick. All right, so take profits. I'm sorry, stop loss at 9.4%. Take profits. Doesn't matter. Let's do 50%. Edit. Perfect. So this is my protection, guys. You protect yourself. Either way, you protect it. Either way, like I said, it's not guaranteed. Nothing's guaranteed, guys. The market could even dump even more right now, right? But I'm a little bit confident in this because we were oversold. And if you look at the MACD, we've had zero green momentum. Zero. We've had zero green momentum, and I'm already in the green. So it's not guaranteed, right? But like I said, right now, I'm using $100 to trade, and I'm risking $9, right? That's it. $9. That's all I'm risking. I'm using $100, risking $9. When I use 1K, I'm going to risk $90. If I trade 10K, I'm risking $900. So right now, I'm already up. I'm up 1.99, up $2.3 right now. Let's fucking go. So I lost because that stop out I did. I lost $9 on that trade. So it would be nice if I could get my money back and more on this positive trade here. But guys, like I said, guys, I'm no expert. All I'm doing is I'm learning. I'm trying to perfect my trading journey so I could stop, making the money like I want to. You know what I mean? Like I said, I told you guys, it's not guaranteed. Or I'm down. Am I down? Yeah, I'm down $3 already. See? So I try to jump into that long, but it's not guaranteed, guys. Not guaranteed. But I'm a little bit confident with this trade because we've had zero green momentum here on my MACD. And that was a brutal downtrend. Look at that. That was a nasty downtrend, and taking out the 20-day moving average. So, and like I said, I'm willing to risk it, guys. I'm willing to risk it. I'm risking another $9. If I lose again, I could call it a day. I'm like, you know what? For today, I lost $18. Or if I was using 1K, I'll be down. I'll be down $20 or $20 or something. See, if I'm down $20, and I'll just take a break, right? But look at that momentum. We're trying to break up box. So we'll see. Massive green candle that signifies a very strong uptrend. So this is this is called a bullish engulfing a bullish engulfing candle. So that means when you have a small red candle here and a large green candle. And guys, look, I just had my beautiful cross, my EMA cross. My EMA cross signifies an uptrend in the short term. So we are up $3.3 right now, up 3%. I need to make $9 over $9 to break even. And I need to make above $9 to be in profits. Because if I don't make above $9, it's a losing trade, right? So, but the beautiful thing about this long I went on is I caught the exact bottom. I didn't wait for anything because I saw, and like I said, this will come with experience over time. The more trades you guys take, the more confidence you guys will have with this. But it's not guaranteed. Like I said, it's not guaranteed, right? But idea is to make money. Idea is to make money, guys. We want to win more than we lose. That's the idea. We don't want to be losing. No. So let me bring down this down. So you can see the MACD is finally turning green. My MACD is turning green, a small little uptrend. My RSI is also as turned positive, which is bullish. So let me make the chart bigger so we can take a look at this and see what he's doing. But just remember what I'm doing here, just showing you guys, right, that you could do it too. You could do it too. You do not need to go be paying anyone or any kind of course. You have YouTube. You have come watch me every day what I trade, right? I trade every day. I do this every day. This is kind of like a trading tutorial for like newbies, right? Trade on the short term, and you can figure out your own strategy and all that stuff. So we're up $6, man, guys. We're trying to break even. Let's fucking go, man. Yeah, man. These bears don't wreck me, man. Don't wreck me. So we're back above the 100-day moving average. We're back above the 200-day moving average. Like I said, remember the last time we broke below, there was a massive uptrend, and I'm hoping we do set a higher high if we are in a true uptrend. If we are in a true uptrend, I hope we set a higher high. But the idea is not to lose money. We want to make money. So I got stopped out on $9. I need to make above $9. And the funny thing is, to be conservative, what some people could do is they could actually close their trade right now and be like, oh, okay. All I need to do is to make $2 and I broken even, or to make $3 and I'm profitable for the day. So yeah, man, so we're up 7% right now. And remember I said before, this is the reason why take your loss, guys. Take your loss. You take your loss, because what happened was, imagine if I didn't wait to get stopped out. And I closed my trade at a loss of $2. I'm up right now 7. So basically, I made 5. See what I'm saying? So sometimes it's like I said, we're learning here. We're going through the motions. Sometimes it's not a good idea to get stopped out, right? Don't wait until your stop loss gets hit. There's nothing wrong with just selling and just taking your little win and move on. Right now, just imagine if I was using 1K right now, I'll be up $60, guys, just like that. That's the crazy thing, and that's the point I'm trying to make here is the moment you start understanding this game, the more things make sense to you, man. You understand, when you break the moving averages, what happened. Understanding the RSI, understanding the moving averages, understanding the EMA crosses and what it means. You know what I mean? Oh, I'm excited, guys, because I am confident in myself because I'm learning this. I'm using my money, real money, and watching what happens with the candles. You see what I'm saying? That's why I'm confident, guys. That's why I'm confident. So I'm very excited. So right now we're looking at this. It looks like RSI is coming back down. It looks like the MACD is fading. With the momentum is turning red. That's why we're having our red candles. But like I said, I'm not tripping because I know my potential, man. I know my potential is because I'm following exactly what my indicators are telling me to do. So now when I decide to say I want to start using more money, I could be confident in say, okay, look, I could use 1K, 75x. I want to make $30 within a minute. Close my trade immediately. And if my trade is losing, I'm confident say, you know what? Let me lose $10, close my trade, and wait until I can win again. See what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So I love this stuff, guys. You could do very well with this. You really really can. Anyone can. You just have to do some research. Start practicing. You could read all you want. It doesn't mean anything. You need to start practicing. Start practicing real money, small money, $1, $5, small. Just do small. You don't need to go crazy. You can, and I think the moment you start gaining more confidence, there is no reason why you cannot make more than $100 per day. Like right now, I'm off $5 right now. I'm using $100 X leverage trading 75x. If I was using 1K, I'll be up $50 right now. Close my trade. Do that multiple times per day. Of course, you will lose, but as long as you are smart with your loss. Because right now, for me, when I'm doing this, I will never let my stop loss gets hits. I will close my trade and take a $10 loss. If I'm trading 1K, I'll take a $10 loss and I'm done. That's it. And I'm fine with that. I am definitely fine with that, man. So I'm dead serious, guys. Like, if I could do this, you could do this too. All I'm doing is just doing some research, man. Using AI, using uh you know, going on Twitter, reading different stuff and just learning, right? And that's all I'm doing here, guys. That's all I'm doing. I'm not trying to preach to anyone. I'm not trying to tell you I'm no expert. No. What I'm showing you is if I could do it, you could do it too. Because what someday don't you want to be able to? I'm going to close this trade here, okay? For a reason. I'm going to close my trade here for, and I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why. I'm going to close my trade here for a reason. I'll tell you. I probably should have done it earlier, but because I was talking, I freaking love this stuff, and I'll tell you why in a second. Let me see. Okay. Give me a second. Let me just watch for a second and see what happens there. I'll tell you why. Because when you up this much, I'm up right now like 5% or $5. Cool. But what if I'm up? Why should I hold the trade and go negative again? That doesn't make any sense. So let's see what happens. I'm just kind of watching the trade, watching. Because I'm trying to see what happens. And because the volume is down, the volume is real down. So let me close the trade here. I'm gonna close the trade here. So basically, I've I've lost. Sorry, did it close? Okay, so I lost $5. Sorry. I used $100, 75x leverage. My trade went negative. I got stopped out. I lost $9. I just won right now with $5. Okay, so I just need to win another $3, and I'm in the green. which I'm confident in doing because the moment I see my indicators play out, I'm gonna jump in, right? So right now we're above the 200-day moving average right now, but the volume is down right now. The reason why I don't want to be here is because I'll give my reasons. The reason why I closed my trade, I probably could have left it, but nah, I don't want to take that risk. Is because here, let me zoom in. When the MACD goes up, when the price goes up, I look at the massive candle here, right? I look at the X. I went long here, right? So I roll this up, cool, okay. So you get a massive green candle on your MACD, and what happens is this: the green, strong green indicators means my momentum is strong. But when the price starts to go lower, your momentum gets weaker, and the weaker it gets, it starts to trend down. Look at how weak that is. So what happens is the weaker the MACD momentum, the more the price is going to turn red. And another indicator here that we discuss is a lot of times the MACD is moving average convergence divergence. So convergence divergence means the blue line is your price, right? The orange line is your direction, your direction of the market. So look at this. I just had a cross. Look at that. I just had a cross. There's a cross right here. So there's a cross right here telling me that price coming back down. So I could take a short right here, right? I probably should have earlier. So I could. So let's do that real quick. Let's see what we could test that. Sorry guys. This is the reason I zoomed out. I already missed it. So you see the cross right here. So the cross is telling me to short. So I don't know if I want to short because I was late, man. I was late because I was typing. But if I was in talking to you guys, what I would have done is I would have short because the moving average is crossed over again. So I could have shorted here, but it was too late because now I'm getting green candle. So I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Kind of chill out for a bit because sometimes it's not wise to just jump into your very short your short crosses. And if you guys know what I'm talking about, go to my Twitter page. Let me I'm about to end the show. I've been live for a while, man. Holy shit, I got to end the show, man. I've been live for 2 hours 30 minutes. I gotta go eat some food, man. I've been eating all day. So I've been live for 2 hours and 30 minutes. I need to go, guys. I gotta go get some food. So, but before I go, I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. Okay. We got a cross again. We got another cross. Like it's just hard to say right now. So we've gotten the cross that's shorts, guys. So, and I'm holding off for now because I want to fully confirm it, and I think it's real. I think it's real. My cells are so weak right now, man. So I could short right now, but let me out. I'm gonna short. Then we'll probably end the show from there, guys, because I need to go eat, man. But I want to show you guys something. Let me put my short in $100. $100, 75x. Okay, shorts. Like I said, no, I like to wait, but we haven't seen any. I haven't seen any red coming up on my MACD, and that's the reason I didn't want to short. Right, I want to see. Sometimes you want to see one full candle after your crosses before you take a trade, and that's the reason why I'm like I'm hesitating here. But yeah, so it looks like we could place a trade now, guys. Let me place it. No. See. It's a short. It's short, not long. Don't go mess up, man. Shorts. All right. Okay. Okay. The wicks. There's a. We got bearish wicks coming up. Let's see. There, like I said, I'm just waiting until I get this nice close after this cross. because see that? That's why I didn't want to go short, guys. That's why I didn't want to go short. This thing just flips bullish again. This is the reason why you wait. Okay, we're gonna switch our trade to long. Switch it back to long. Confirmed with an uptrend long. Done. After this, I'm gonna end the show, guys. Okay, cause I need to go eat and let me see. I just need a small little gain and I'm gonna close this stuff. See, I was too late, guys. I was too late. So basically, you get the idea, right? You get the idea. Yeah, I was too late. I missed that. There's a strong pressure coming down right now, man. This is a bearish candle. As it closed out though. But like I said, guys, I watched the video, test it out. I think you guys could do very well with this. I really believe you can. Look at that. We're going back up against. Let me zoom in a bit. So so that's the candles. So yeah, the crosses, you gotta wait until we kind of confirm. So it does look like we are going back up, right? So when you see the cross, wait 1 or 2 candles before you take your trade to be safe, because this thing flips in a dime, right? It flips in a dime. Especially because you're using look at that. Yeah, I knew it was going to I knew it was going to do that. Those wicks were nasty, man. So guys, I need to go, man. I need to go. Let me close this trade, man. I need to go eat, spend time with his family. But guys, anybody could do this, man. Just make sure you follow. Check my Twitter page, guys, and you could see how it's done. And look at that, another cross right here, another cross going down, guys. Like, man, you can make a lot of money, man. Just understand, study the crosses. What do they mean? Because all these crosses, I knew was gonna come down. The moment you see a massive, a wick downwards like this, with a very, you're going down, right? Look at the wicks. You're going. There's a very high down pressure. So I could even, I'm going to take a short again, man. The pressure going down is very strong, man. Very, very strong. So let me do 10 net. Let me do $10, 500x. 10 500x shorts, right? Shorts. Yeah. I'm gonna do it with this trade real quick. Let me turn this off. How much? $10, 500x done. So $10, 500x, a gift for you guys before we end the show. A gift for you guys before we end the show, man. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later, man. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. I gotta get some food, man. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate you. Tomorrow Saturday, we're gonna do our airdrop show tomorrow. I'll be back again for another show. Tomorrow is not a trading show. We're back for our regular airdrop shows, man. So, wait, I went short, right? Shorts. $10. Okay, I'll just make it short. Like, hey, man, don't play with me. All right. All right, guys. I'll see you guys later. Wait. Let me make sure. Collateral 10. I'm gonna go wreck myself. Okay, cool. All right, guys. Enjoy. I'll see you guys again later. Great show today, guys. 206 people live watching me trade, man. I appreciate you all, man. Like I said, anybody could do this, guys. There's no secret to this thing. There's no anybody could do this. It's all about practice, right? Leverage attempting advantage. Yeah, I see you, Justice. Yeah, man. So, guys, thank you, guys. Being on 2-hour, 30-minute show live. Oh my God, you can go back and watch the video. And like I said, check my Twitter page. I posted the indicator that I use. I posted the indicators I use. Everything you need to do. Everything is all there, guys. Just check my page. You see it, okay? I appreciate you guys. Let me take a screenshot for you, absolute legends, man. I'll see you guys later. You guys are awesome, man. Let me take a screenshot. You guys are freaking awesome, man. So thank you all for coming to the show. I'll see you guys again tomorrow for the airdrop and alpha show, the airdrop show tomorrow at same time. And yeah, man, let's go make his money, man. All right, guys. I will see you legends very, 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 very soon. All right, guys. See you guys later. Mm, Woo! Trade is awesome. Money. Well, we're gonna make a lot of money, guys. We're gonna make a lot of money. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.